Hey sewing friends, we've been talking a lot about sewing machine maintenance over in my little Learn to Sew school community, and lately the subject of how often you should clean your sewing machine came up. So I thought I would show you guys just how messy the inside gets after one project. This is probably about a cumulative 6-ish hours of sewing. So normally to take this face plate off, you would have like a little screw here and maybe like right here, and you would just unscrew and this would pop out. My machine has a button down here where this pops up. So I'm gonna get you guys closer up so you can see all the fuzzies. Take this bobbin out, and then the bobbin case, obviously, which normally just sits right there. But as you can see, there's all kinds of fluff and fuzzy stuff underneath. The bobbin case is kind of messy too, so I'm gonna clean it up. My mom got me a couple of things to help with this. One is this fun little brush. And of course, I'm just gonna dust that bobbin case out. That looks a lot better. But she also got me these, which came in a big package like this. Let me get the camera better so you can see them. They came in a big package like this. And so you can, they're really inexpensive. I think they're like $5 for a package this size. So she got me 2 packages, but they have this little fluffy tip on the end. It's just barely fluffy, honestly. And it attracts the dust and the debris. So I just wanted to show you as I clean it out. See how it like pulls all of that right out of there. And then look at all that. That was just from like one little project. So I'm going to go in and do a little more fine tuning in here. I have been told, and I tend to agree, to not use, oh, look at that, not use canned air in your sewing machine because it doesn't get the debris and the dust out. It literally just drives it further into mechanical parts, and then that dust and all that gunk gums up all those intricate parts on the inside. So this is just so much easier. All right, one more, and I'm gonna get this up here. See how there's like a lot up here. And this was just cotton, regular cotton fabric. So this wasn't even like flannel or anything. If you're doing flannel or anything that has like a nap to it, you're gonna want to do this more often because those fabrics like flannel tend to really create a lot of dust and debris, and you just want to be getting that out of your machine. The cleaner you keep it, the better it's gonna run over time. Just a big maintenance thing. And I have even more down here. I could probably, yep, look at that. That's crazy. I know people that never ever open their machine up and they're wondering why in the world is it making so much noise and yeah. So there you go. Nice clean machine, all dusted out and ready to sew some more. The other thing that you would do is if you had machine oil, this is the little core, right? Let me get it even closer. So right here is a little fluffy core. Don't pull that piece of fuzz out like I tried to do when I first started sewing. I thought that was just extra fuzz. I tried to pull it out, and Yeah, that was a big mistake. So this is a little fluffy core, and you would put a drop, a literal drop of machine oil in about, I would say, once a month. And that'll keep everything nice, running really smoothly. Yeah, right in there. All right. So this is your sign to clean out that sewing machine. It'll run better, I promise. So these are the little things that I used. The little felt tipped cleaner brushes. They're almost like Q-tips for your sewing machine. Cute little brush. I don't know where my mom got this, but it's really cute. It makes me think of a makeup brush, but it was actually marked sewing machine brush. And then lastly, some good quality sewing machine oil. And you can buy this at Walmart or Amazon. I will have all of this linked down in my Amazon cart. So if you want to go over there and check any of these products out, but make sure you use an actual sewing machine oil, not just a regular like oil you would use in the kitchen. Get good sewing machine oil and keep it clean and oiled, and you will have less maintenance problems. All right, bye sewing friends.